Next up is Stephen Rhine. Please proceed, Mr. Rhine.
Hello, Chair and members of the committee. I'm Stephen Rhine. I'm in support of HB162. I run a company here in Washington State, Rhine Labs. Washington State is a right to repair state. We already have a law. Exemptions are the problem, not the solution. Anti-repair is systematic. Example, Hawco, one of the most widely used soldering iron brands among hobbyists and professional technicians. They've twisted the statutory definition of industrial and exemption language to withhold schematics. Violations reported to the Attorney General go unanswered. Manufacturers know there's no consequence for non-compliance, leaving repair shops and consumers with no legal remedy. Some companies have even threatened legal action to silence those who expose their practices or attempts to produce small claims relief. Hawco is one of them, threatening countersuits. Game console manufacturers do the same, citing piracy as justification for exemptions, but a schematic or replacement part does not enable piracy. It just threatens their new device sales. I can provide the committee with documented examples of multiple companies using these same tactics to deny repair and using the flaws of the existing laws.
Mr. Rhine, please do that, and that concludes your public testimony. Next up